Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I'm back to teach you lecture 2 of standard 3 chapter 14. So in this video we will go through the rules that we should follow on the road. So let's start from the first line, that what has written there. So I'm reading, please read with me. If you don't have the book, again I'm saying that please purchase it as soon as possible. So from page number 75, the rules we should follow on the road. How do you come to school? Whether it's bicycle, by foot, by car, by bus. So how do you come to school? Bicycle, then write down the bicycle. It's blank is there. So you should write down that how do you come to school. Next is, some of you may be using the school bus. Others may be coming to school with an elder, walking or by car or a two-wheeler. So most of the people, they just used to come at school by using the school bus. Maybe they just come with the others who they are coming to school, like elders with walking, or maybe with car, or maybe with two-wheelers. On that time we have to follow rules on the roads. We have to follow on the roads and in the bus or car as well as. So we should follow the rules on car, on the in car, in the bus, on the road. So which some follows are the rules that I am going to explain you. We should follow these all things on the roads. First is, cross the road only at zebra crossing. So if we want to cross, or if you want to cross the road from one side to another side, then cross the road only at zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is like an area of road that marked with broad black and white lines, like a zebra. Zebra is also with the broad colors of black and white. So the road is also which is marked with the broad black and white lines, where vehicles must to stop for the people to walk across. So where the vehicles we should that they should always stop, so that the people who wants to cross the road, they can cross the road. So we should always cross the road at zebra crossing. Second point, not run or play on the road. We should not run and we should not play on the road. Third, use the footpath for walking. We should always use the footpath for walking. Next is, walk and not run while crossing the road. So suppose while you are crossing the road from one lines to from one to another areas, another line, crossing line. So on that time, please walk. Do not run when you are crossing the road. Walk slowly, and when you are like crossing the road, please look at your right and left, that if no vehicles are there, then you can cross the road. Next, follow the traffic signals. So we should always follow the traffic signals, then there must be no any confusion to cross the road by cars, bus. So for that we should always cross the traffic signals. So especially we have a traffic signals, we see that the traffic signal, it is with three colors: green, red, yellow. So greens means, if green is there on traffic signal, then it means that we can go from that area. So green for go. Amber, which is in yellow color, it means slow down. And the red, if red signal is there, traffic signal, then we should stop the vehicles. Next, wait for the signal to cross the road. So we should always wait for the signal, the traffic signal, and then after we should cross the road. Look to the right, then to the left, and then to the right again, and then cross the road. So just now I said that whenever you are crossing the road, please look to the right, then left, then again right, and then after you can cross the road. Next, not stick your head or hand out of a moving vehicles. So when the vehicles is moving, do not take out your hand or head out of the windows. So we should follow these rules also, that we should not take out our head and hand when any vehicles is moving on the road. Next, not play behind a parked vehicles as it may suddenly move. So we should always not play where the car is parking, means where the car has stopped. So on that time we should always not play that place where the vehicles had parked, because maybe it suddenly the cars will move and we will get injured. So on that time we should not play behind a vehicles parked. Next, use the seat belt while traveling the car. So we should always use the seat belt while we are traveling by car. Next, remember rules save us from accidents. Exactly. Remember that these rules, if we should follow, then it save us from accidents. It save us from accident. So follow them and stay alert. So that's why we should just follow these all rules, and we should always be alert. Next, rules at home. Now rules are there that we should follow at home also to protect us from danger. So once you reach home, there are rules again. Exactly, once if you will reach the home, there are also rules again. What is the first thing you will do when you reach home? Suppose when you are after school finish over, then you will go at home. Then what you will do first? First, put your things away and keep your room neat and tidy. Your friend will like visiting you if all your toys are in your rooms and not all over the house. So once you will just reach your home, then you will put the things and keep your house neat and tidy, so that your friend will also likes to visit your homes, and you just keep the things at a proper place. Do not put all the things over all the houses, all the rooms. Next, be helpful and respectful. We should always help our parents and respect always. Third, do not leave lights and fans switched on when no one is in the room. So when no one is in the room, please switch off the fans and lights. Next, do not leave the tap on when you are brushing your teeth. Save water and electricity, as both are very precious. So we should do not leave the tap while we are brushing the teeth. We should not leave the tap on. We should always close it, because water and electricity, it's very important, and both are very precious. Precious means very important and valuable things. We should not waste that all. Next, be careful while using knives, blades and scissors. We should always be careful while we are using these types of sharp things like knives, blades and scissors. Always make sure that the grown-ups in nearby when using these sharp objects. So please be careful when you are using these all sharp things. Your grown-up are always be there with you when you are using these sharp objects. Next, do not play with matchsticks. Do not play with matchsticks. Be careful while handling any electrical gadget. Be careful while you are handling any electrical things. Next, try not to go out late in the evening or night. We should just try that we should not go out in the evening or at night. Do not open the front door for strangers when you are alone. So when you are alone, if stranger will come, for them do not open the door. Anyways, share your problems. You must tell someone you can trust if somebody bad happens to you. So you have to share your problems to the person, so that you have a trust that person, so that they will help you when you are in bad situation. Next, The world is very beautiful, but it can also be dangerous. Exactly, not world. In fact, the persons are also very dangerous. They looks beautiful from outside, but from inside they are very dangerous. It is best to follow certain rules which helps us to stay happy and safe. It is best that we can follow some rules that it can helps us to stay safe and happy. We should enjoy ourselves and have fun. We should always enjoy ourselves and fun, but also remember that rules that are necessary for our safety. So that's why we should always follow the rules to protect us from the dangerous. So your chapter is completed. I hope you guys had understood the chapter. So till that, thank you. Have a nice day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.